Hey everyone, it's Cindy. How are you? I'm coming here. I'm gonna wash my face with you. How do you wash your face? Do you wash your face? I do now, thank God. I used to wash it like a man, as my cousin used to tell me. But now I'm washing it as I'm needing to because gravity is taking place and I am not getting any younger. So how do I wash it? I wash it with this skincare device, handheld. It's called a LumiSpa. This LumiSpa is so amazing because of its key component, which is this dual oscillating silicone head. The silicone head is like, yeah, okay, that's great, but it's actually coated in colloidal silver, and colloidal silver is so good in a lot of attributes for the health of our body. But it's also really good due to the fact that it doesn't harbor bacteria. That is a key thing. And that's why this really surpassed the Clairsonic, because the Clairsonic is a bristle head. And with bristle heads, if the moisture gets trapped in, the bacteria will harbor. With this, it doesn't harbor. So guess what? Once you wash your face, it's clean, super, super clean. So I'm gonna show you how to use this. I don't have a sink with me. I do have a water bottle, so I'm gonna just wash my face like this, okay? Once I drench my face in water, I'm gonna do the same thing with this. Remember, this is waterproof, so it doesn't matter how much water you put on it, it's not gonna affect it, okay? So the more water that you put on, the better. Like I said, it's dual oscillating. As you can tell, it's light blue along with this beautiful turquoise blue. So I'm gonna get my treatment cleanser. This treatment cleanser is really, really great because it synergetically works together with the LumiSpa. So you must be thinking, I got my cleanser, I'll just buy it and use it. No, do not do that. This is formulated to its precise, precision of this device. So do not damage your face by using another product, please. Okay, so we have 4 quadrants on our face. What you want to do is just dab the product on your forehead, the cheek, the chin, and the cheek again, okay? As you start, you're gonna notice that the buttons here, once you start it, you're gonna see, oh, the first quadrant is ready to go. This is a 2-minute device, and I want you to start it from your forehead and work yourself around the clock, okay? And so as you can tell, I'm not going in a circular movement because the dual osculating is already doing that. So just go into a W or zigzag form from one side of your forehead to the other. Please take that 30 seconds to utilize in the quadrants. Did you hear that jolt? It goes jolt, jolt. That indicates to you to take it down to your second quadrant. As you take it down to your second quadrant, it's going to be your cheek. Just so right on the bottom of the apple of your cheeks, just take it down there and just move it on up from the corner of your nose all the way up to the scalp line, corner to the scalp line. And as you do that, you'll be like, oh my gosh, this is taking so long. You want to see what happens if it takes too long? I'll show you. There's my third jolt. It'll stop. This is sensitive enough to know what it does, how you use it for your face, okay? So just remember that as you're using it, just take your time. It's only 2 minutes of your day. Do you know how many minutes we have in a day? 1,444 minutes. So I think of those minutes, 2 minutes is really nothing, right? So as I'm doing this, am I cleaning my lips? I sure am. You can definitely take it onto your lips, remove those lipstick marks off your lips with this too. So now I'm at my 4th quadrant. You want to see what it looks like? So it has a quadrant and it indicates to you where you're at. So I'm here, the edge of my nose, all the way up to the edge of my scalp, my ear line. I'm taking it up where the cheek is, the apple of your cheeks. You want to kind of bring that up. Once it's done, it'll stop, okay? Take this off, just super, super simple. Rinse it off, less than 15 seconds. No joke, literally. Leave it on the side of your sink, put this down, and wash your face. That's all you gotta do. I hope this tutorial was something that will be fruitful for you and in your life. Have a glowing day, you guys. Bye.